master bedroom looks before I do an extreme clean to it, and this is how it looks afterwards. Guys, if you want to see what all it took to get it back together, stay tuned. What I'm doing right now, I'm going to start by folding up all the laundry off my bed. And this is laundry from earlier today. I put 2 loads of clothes in and I just threw them on the bed. And what I'm doing right here, I'm actually putting them in the drawers where they belong. Now I'm going out to get my receipt bag. When I come back, I'm going to start putting all the receipts that I took. I emptied my purse this morning and I have receipts all over the bed as well. And I'm pretty good at accounting and keeping up with my receipts because I own multiple businesses. So this is a pretty good way for me to keep up with my receipts by putting them in brown paper bags and storing them in the closet. I know, guys, there are other ways to do this, but this works for me. Also, by me being plus size, I do get tired quickly, so I will sit down and sort things out. And that's one tip that I always have for my plus size people. When you're cleaning and you have to get this done yourself, don't feel bad by sitting down, but the main thing to do is to keep your hands moving, and that will keep your mind set that I gotta do this. I'm cleaning, opposed to I'm sitting and resting. Right now, I'm shaking out my sheets. I did change my linen yesterday, so my sheets are actually fresh and clean. Actually, they are new. I just purchased these, but yeah, they are super clean, guys. And so when I'm making up the bed by myself, last night I actually slept in the bed by myself. So that's why I was only shaking out that one side. But, I have my reasons. But yeah, and I like for my sheets to be nice and tight. So that's why I go all the way around the bed. Also, I purchased this comforter and it's actually a queen size comforter, but the packaging on the outside said king. It had the little king label. So I was disappointed about that. However, I decided to keep it because in my extra bedroom, I have a queen size bed. So we're just sticking this one on here for now. We're going to keep it on here because I did purchase it for this bed. So a couple days under this comforter won't hurt. I need to get rid of this side table because it collects so much clutter, and that's what I'm doing. I'm getting everything off of it so that I can wipe it off. And also, that little heater, that's a space heater that I keep in my bedroom. I spend a lot of time in my bedroom. I'm anemic, and instead of turning the thermostat up and making the whole house hot, I just go ahead and keep a heater on the side of my bed. But I'm getting rid of this table, guys. This is actually a really funny part of the video because I fought so long with these pillows. I could not get the pillows in the pillowcase, and it was so funny to me. And the reason why it's two pillows is because they've gotten old and they're flat. So I don't sleep on the good pillows that's on my bed. Those are my Calvin Klein pillows, and I do not sleep on them. They are basically for decoration. But the two pillows that I just stuffed into one pillowcase, that is the pillows that I actually sleep on at night. But it was funny, I just could not get them together. Also, I just added these pink pillows. As you can see, they were brand new, and I added them for a pop of color. Also, the throw that I'm putting at the end of the bed, I got it from my mom, and it's so pretty, and it complements and pulls everything together. I still have a lot of work to do in this room. I've purchased so much stuff, and I'm going to be totally redecorating it within the next week. So you guys will get to see that video too. And it is going to take on a totally different look, but finally it will look like a beautiful master bedroom that I'm used to. But for now, I'm cleaning off the dresser, and I'm going to take everything and hand clean it piece by piece. Now, doing this part of my room, wiping everything down piece by piece, it actually is very calming for me, and I love doing it. Everything that is on my dresser is very delicate. All you see is glass and mirror, and a couple of the things are DIYs that I did myself. So I'm very proud of the pieces. Also, I have this big, huge mirror jewelry box that a friend of mine purchased from me for me from Home Goods last year. So I always take extra good care of it because I'm so proud of it and I love it. So yeah, that's why I enjoy sitting down doing this myself. Also, the white basket is full of my everyday essentials, and I like to keep that on the side of my bed. So yeah, I'm just gonna put this dresser back together. I really love the silver sequin pillow that's on the bed. It really adds just enough sparkle to my bedroom, and it makes the bed look so pretty and girly. So this is my favorite part of the entire cleaning process. It's when I turn the lights out, stop the ceiling fan, and spray it down with Odor Ban. Odor Ban is a odor control that I get from Home Depot, and it comes in different scents. I have the lavender, and I love the way the room smells because once the fan goes on, it starts to circulate that beautiful lavender scent. Well, that's it, everybody. Thank you so much for watching. I have finally got this master bedroom clean, and I am very excited about it. So, from this to that, I am just grateful that I was able to get everything clean and in an orderly fashion. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and I will see you guys in the next video. So, until then, keep cleaning. Bye, guys.